Hey guys, welcome to Delph Stack, and this is how to change profile pic on TikTok. So guys, to do this process, you could just simply go ahead and go to your TikTok application and just simply open the application. Now, over here guys, you could just simply go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now over here on your profile, guys, to change your picture, you will have an option at the top, edit. So you could just simply tap on edit over here, guys, and it will redirect you to edit your profile. And at the very top, you should have an option over here, change photo. So from here, you could just simply tap on a change photo to proceed with this process. And you will have three options. You could either take a photo directly from your camera or upload a photo from your gallery, or you could just simply view the photo. And now, for example, I'm going to go ahead and take a photo from my camera, and this will open up my camera. And now from here, I'm going to take a picture. And after that, as you can see, you will have an option down below as well to post this photo to your story. And you will have the preview of your picture. And after that, you could adjust it as well based on your preferences. And you could just simply select save once you are done with this process, and it will be updated. And as you can see, we now have changed our profile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.